Hey guys, welcome to Code Streak Daily. In today's video, we are going to solve the daily streak problem of the Leetcode. Here we have a problem: remove subfolders from the file system. It's a pretty interesting coding problem. In this problem, let's see the description here. Given a list of folder, return the folders after removing all subfolders in those folders. You may return the answer in any order. If a folder I is located within another folder J, it is called the subfolder of it. A subfolder of folder J must start with folder of J followed by a forward slash. For example, slash A slash B is a subfolder of forward slash A, but slash B is not a subfolder of slash A slash B slash C. Okay, the format of path is one or more concatenated strings of the form with a forward slash followed by one or more lowercase English letters. So it's clearly mentioned it is a lowercase English letters only. So for example, here we have a lead code and slash lead code slash problems are valid paths while an empty string and forward slash are not. So here we have an example. We have a folder array and it contains slash a b c d c d e and cf. Outputs a c d cf. Okay, folders forward slash a and b is a subfolder of a, slash c slash d slash e are inside the folder cd in our file system. Okay, so in the same manner we have two examples. Here we have another example: a abc abd. The output is only a. Folders abc and abd will be removed because they are subfolders of a. Okay, so here we have to remove those folders which are subfolders. That's it. Okay, that's the problem. That's it. It's a interesting problem. Here we are going to use a simple and efficient approach. First of all, let's see the main steps here. Firstly, we are going to sort the folder list. We'll sort the folders alphabetically. This ensures that any subfolders will always come right after its parent folder in the list. Here you see, here we have slash a, and if you think slash a is a folder, its subfolder will be slash ab, will appear immediately after in the order. As you see here, here we have a folder slash a, and slash ab is the subfolder and it is beside the a. Okay, in the second step we have to check for the subfolders. After sorting, we loop through each folder and check if it is a subfolder of the last folder we added to our list. How do we check this? Well, if the current folder starts with the previous folder plus a forward slash, it means it's a subfolder. If it doesn't, we add it to the result as it is a new top folder. As you can see here, uh, here we have a folder slash a, and here we have another folder slash a and slash b. So if uh, this here it is already starting with the slash a, but here we already have slash a, that means this is a subfolder. This is the one of the basic thing we can check to see whether it is a subfolder or not. Then in the final step we have to return the result. Okay, this approach is very efficient because sorting takes like order of n log n time, and then checking each folder takes the order of n. So overall time complexity will be order of n log n only, which is really good. Okay, so now we start by importing. Here we have class solution. We have a function remove subfolders, and here we have a list named folders is passed, and here output also list. Okay, we start by importing the list module from typing import list. This lets us specify that the input will be a list of strings. Okay, here the first step inside our method is to sort the folder list alphabetically. This ensures that all the subfolders come immediately after their parent folder. Like this sorting takes order of n log n time. Like I'm taking folder dot sort. Okay, next we'll create an empty list called result, which will store our top level folders. Next, we will use a for loop for f in subfolder. Inside the loop, we'll check if either the result is empty, which means there are no folders added yet, or the current folder is not a subfolder of the last folder in the list. To check if subfolder is if f is a subfolder, we use f dot starts with what we will check result of -1 plus if there is a forward slash or not. This checks whether f starts with the last folder path in a result plus a forward slash, which indicates a subfolder. As you see here, if it is not a subfolder, this is direct. Here we have the list of folders, right? This is a forward slash and a. First of all, we'll check in the result whether a is there or not. Okay, if a is not there, it will be directly appended. If a is there, then we have to check result of -1. It is the latestly updated into the result, right? This will be stored at the last. Result of -1 is a plus if there is a forward slash or not. If so, then we'll think that okay, this is a subfolder. If it's not a subfolder, we will directly add it to the result. This ensures that only top level folders are added into uh, the result. Okay, so for that we have to take a basic condition, right? If not result or not, in this case result dot append f. That's it. Next we have to return result. Okay, so in this case what we are checking if the result is empty or not, and we are also checking the last updated folder in the result does not start with this forward slash. Okay, if so, that means it is a subfolder and we do not need to add that. If not, then we will directly add it to the result because it will be a parent folder. Now let's run the code and check. Yes, we have all the test cases passed and the runtime is 0 milliseconds. I think I'm expecting something again. Let me submit the code and check. Yeah, you can see here our runtime is 22 milliseconds and our code beats 95.52% of users. That's a good number to complete the problem. So I hope this explanation helped you understand how to remove the subfolders, right? This method is both efficient and easy to understand thanks to the sorting step and the starts with function that we have inbuilt in Python. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe CodeStick Daily for more coding tutorials. And if you have any questions, please do drop them in the comments below. I'd be happy to check that. And if you have any code better than this, please do put that in the comments as well. I'll surely check and reply on that. And if you want to maintain your streak both in Geeks for Geeks and in Leetcode, please do subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell icon. See you in the next video, guys. Until then, keep streaking.